What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's get started with this video. In today's video, we're gonna go to a wedding. Then we're gonna go to my very first comedy show. And I don't know what else we're gonna do. But right now,
We're gonna go to Target.
we're gonna go to Target. But right now, she's gonna do my girl Jackie. She's gonna do my beard and my eyebrows because my barber is MIA right now, so I couldn't get a cut. So I'm gonna do my beard and my eyebrows here at home. So I'll see y'all in the next clip once I'm cleaned up. I just got done with my beard lineup and my eyebrows. Yes, sir. Get yourself a girl that will do your beard and your eyebrows. Yay! Alright, so now we're out of the house. We made coffee today because we broke. So right now we're on our way to Target to go buy a gift for a wedding, right? Mm-hmm. And then after that, we're gonna go buy something small to eat because they're hungry. I don't need till like 7, so I'm not that hungry, but I'll probably join them on a little some. Alright guys, well I'll see y'all right now in the next clip when we're at Target. Alright, we're back home from Target. I wasn't able to record anything because somebody was being a cranky.
No,
But we're home. It's because we're rushing because she still needs to get ready. And for everybody that knows, girls take like 2.5 years to get ready. So I'll see y'all right now once we're ready and about to leave to the wedding. It's been a few hours since the last clip. We all just got done getting ready for the wedding. Babe, come over here.
Wedding time!
Time to go party. Look at the drip, look at the drip, look at the drip, look at the drip. And the kid, I guess.
You fell!
Ow!
And the kid.
She looks like a princess. Look, back it up, back it up. You look like a little princess.
So yeah, guys. We're about to head out to the wedding. Then after that, we're gonna go to our first comedy show ever.
To go see Franco Escamilla. And I am super excited. I bought these tickets for his birthday. And it was very last minute. But hopefully very much worth it.
Yes.
And I'm going with my grandma.
Yeah,
Because fuck them kids.
we're abandoning the kids. Alright, we just made it here to the wedding.
This is fancy. It's nice.
So yeah, guys. I feel a little bit awkward, so I'll update y'all. Alright, we just left the wedding. We're
It was
about to
nice.
go drop
It was
off the
really
kid
nice.
and go to the comedy show. Hopefully it goes good. It's the first time, that I ever go to one, and first time that she goes. So yeah, so I'll see y'all right now, and we're on the way to the comedy show. We just hopped on I-90 people. We're on our way to Rosemont. If you know, you know. If you're from the area, you're from the area. But I'll catch y'all right now when we pull up right there. We're here at the theater. We're here at the theater. Damn. We just made it.
I don't think we're supposed to record, but fuck it.
Chinga su madre.
The opportunity he gave us to record.
We just got out of the comedy show. It's a little
It was
bit
good.
past 1. Dude, it was the funniest thing ever. Honestly,
Necesita que se aventó al final.
yeah, honestly, dude, first comedy show, and I feel like this was one of the best ones I've ever seen. And it was fun. I enjoyed it. Thank you. Shout out to Jackie because she gave me the tickets for my birthday. So yeah, we're on our way home right now. It's about a 30-40 minute drive. So I'll see y'all right now when we get to the crib. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. We just woke up and it's freaking late, but we did fall asleep late. So today, we're gonna run our errands. So right now we're about to go do laundry, and then we gotta go to the store and go buy a few items. So I'll see y'all right now in the next clip when we're on the way to the laundromat. Alright, we're here at the laundromat.
And it's raining. It's pouring.
raining.
The fat man is snoring. Woo!
Now we came outside to drink our coffee,
This guy was about to fight somebody in the laundromat for no reason.
and if you guys are a Dunkin' fanatic, I'm not gonna fight nobody. If you guys are a Dunkin' fanatic, get the loaded hash browns.
Those are good.
Did any of you guys ever try a few years ago, the banana split iced coffee?
That
number
was the
one.
best coffee flavor
Ever.
ever. And they never brought it back, and I don't understand why, because that was so good.
Honestly, hopefully, one day we're blessed enough to actually,
Everybody
how
start tweeting Duncan.
right? You know how like Ice Spice had her drink and like, who was that other girl, the TikToker?
Charlie D'Amelio.
She had her. Not by yeah, guys. Last night, that comedy show was freaking funny. Had a blast.
It was a good show. It was a very good show.
How's your sandwich?
Really good. Everything I wanted in life.
Oh, buddy, I still cough.
Yeah, he did. I was literally about to say, I'm like, what's the point of speeding in the rain?
Oh well, we're in the parking lot. Who cares?
Shit, clearly we ain't safe. He almost hit me too. We almost looked at those apartments over there.
Mm-hmm.
That one expensive ass apartment. It was so nice. It wasn't even expensive though, but
I would have loved it. Have Duncan right there.
I already had a laundry unit in it.
Mm-hmm. So yeah. Has anybody else been to the Rosemont Theater? Because that was my first time ever going there yesterday. And
Or wasn't as confusing though.
mm-mm.
Compared to Allstate?
Well, it's because Allstate's way bigger.
That, but I'm sure we were there. We parked right away, like front row. Then we're leaving. Get to the car real quick. And we didn't even really wait in
before
traffic.
all the mayhem.
But we really didn't wait. We were there for like in the parking lot waiting to leave for like what, 6 minutes?
Well, that's because we were right there in the front.
They were directing traffic. They let everybody out. Awesome. Thanks. And we got home in like 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Bro, and I used my cane yesterday. And I really never use it. But I used it yesterday. And I didn't get checked or nothing.
Special treatment like always.
The perks of being disabled. You don't have to wait for nothing.
We sat next to some pretty cool people though.
Mm-hmm. Jackie went to go get us some drinks, and I right away started talking to those people because they were funny. The guy was funny.
Yeah, he was. Right when he asked you for your name and everything.
And it's funny because one of my friends was there too. We were able to, well, she spotted him from like across the freaking theater.
Cause since we were in the balcony and we were literally like front row of the balcony almost. I was just looking and I don't know where I'm like, I know that person.
Shout out to you, Mayan. You got a big forehead. Oh, I got no more hash browns.
Those are really good though, right?
Mhm.
Georgina loves those.
When they get the
came
bag?
I crumbled it.
Hey.
I don't know anything about it.
Who else loves to hear the rain? I remember there was a point that I used to listen to
Rain sounds to go to sleep.
rain sounds to go to sleep.
I remember that. Because you would do that a lot. When I was sleepover when we first started dating. You just put rain sounds. I'm like, But you know who else does that? Daniel. Remember he put the little white noise?
Oh yeah, in his house.
Yeah.
No, yeah. I don't know why. Are you done? No? I don't know why, but it just mellows you out. But look, guys, we're matching hoodies.
Yep. Imagine.
McLaren
came
gang,
out.
even though we don't own a McLaren, but one day.
Gang, gang. I came out and I'm like, why you copying my hoodie?
And I was wearing it first.
Oh. It's okay.
Yeah,
You want to try it?
let me get some. A little bite.
Little. Nigga, you have my sandwich.
What's this behind
No.
them? It's okay. It's okay. My hash browns were better.
Yeah, I believe that. Those headphones are really good.
You know what we could have done?
The $6 meal.
Yeah.
But you know we don't get to pick the drink, right?
It's a coffee.
Yeah.
You cannot add like the cold foam.
You can't enter or anything. Extra nothing.
It's cool. Still $6. It's crazy how there's no more like. I don't know if you guys ever went to like Taco Bell and all that. They had like the $5 box. It's crazy how that doesn't exist anymore.
I never
Or
did it.
obviously like McDonald's were like the dollar menu. Like that's not even a thing anymore. It's crazy to me.
Those are my chicken. You smack.
Then Subway, like the $5 full long, that's not a thing. Last time me and her went to Subway, it was like 30 some $40 for 2 subs. Like, dude, what the hell? All right, guys. Well, enough of my ranting. Hope you guys, enjoyed it being with us while we ate our breakfast / lunch, because I don't even know what time it is.
Just one. Like
We woke up really. I mean, we went to sleep like at like 3 in the morning. So, and yeah. So, I'll see you guys right now when we're go pick up the kid, because after that we're gonna go to, where are we going? Aldi?
I'll do today. Yeah.
Aldi and Sam's, because I'm gonna go buy waters at Sam's. All right, guys. Well, I'll see y'all right now on the low. We just made it to Aldi. Wait, we're gonna get some cookies? Say hi, bro. Say hi. Dije que digas hola.
And I said hi. Fíjate la cola.
Déjala tú, güey. All right, we're about to do a little bit of shopping. What are we getting? Is there any Chips Ahoy?
Estaban buscando los de la Lelo Tini.
The one with the chocolate?
Oh, it's these. They don't have the leprechaun on it anymore?
I don't know why. What, to switch the packaging?
Yeah, so these. I guess. Unless...
Who else loves chocolate chip cookies, the chewy ones? Anything?
They have the off-brand ones. But we don't need that many cookies. Let's just get these. So we still have regular Chips Ahoy at the crib, and we have the off-brand Oreos.
Me odia.
Oh, yeah.
I feel awkward vlogging here, but oh well. We gotta get used to it.
Find the sandwich.
Yeah, and some glizzy. Some glizz Tonys. Oh no. Alright guys, so I'll see y'all right now. Todos los sazones que quiere Jackie. Ay, papá. ¿Cómo se toman tus sazones?
Well, where's the pepper at? There's no pepper. I need some pep mustard.
There should be some pep. I don't know. I can see
Oh,
the
honestly.
pepper. El jamón. Babe.
What?
Fun fact.
What?
Did you know that el jamón es la nalga del puerco?
Was ahí está tu nalga?
Just got at the store, but goddamn, look at that big ass truck. We got the kid. Say hi, kid. Okay, say bye, kid. Yeah, we just made it here to Sam's, and Jackie said that she's gonna buy me a model car, right, babe?
You want baby oil?
Oh, we gonna get our freak on. Hey, I want one of these TVs.
Mami, I know what you
¿Cuál quieres, bebé? ¿Cuál quieres? Ahorita te la compro.
No.
This one that's
Ow.
gotta be 2600.
Never mind. Ya, we leave in Sam's. Mira, agarramos una cajota de huevos.
¿Qué te falta?
We just got out of Sam's. I think, you know what? We're not gonna do much anymore. So I think this is goodbye for
We're just
now.
gonna go to my dad's and eat some tacos.
Yeah, we're about to go eat some tacos. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys.
This is Fifi making.
What?
What?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Comment down low whatever video ideas you guys want to see. We could do any challenge. We could probably even go explore a spooky abandoned space. So yeah, guys.
Or we could go on a picnic.
No. Alright, guys.
We can.
Alright, guys. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.